Welcome to English by Tony.
Hello and welcome. Are you learning English? Do you sometimes feel it's hard or slow? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people feel the same at the beginning. But here's the good news. You can learn English, and you can start today, step by step. Do you want to speak English with more confidence? Do you want to understand people better? Do you want to feel proud when you speak? If your answer is yes, this video is for you. In this video, you will learn how to practice English every day, easy ways to listen, speak, read, and write. How to grow your vocabulary, and how to stay motivated even when it feels hard. This lesson is for beginners, and we will use slow and clear English. So relax, listen carefully, and follow each step. You don't need to be perfect. Just take small steps. English is a journey, and you are already on the way. Let's begin this English adventure together. You can do it. Start small. Listen to English every day. Watch short videos. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain is smart. It will learn the sounds. Just listen, again and again. Then start speaking. Say easy things like hello, I'm happy, it's a good day. You can speak alone, with a friend, or repeat after a video. The more you speak, the more confident you will feel. Reading is your friend too. Read short stories, easy books, or subtitles. When you see a new word, stop and ask, what does it mean? Use pictures or a simple dictionary. Learning new words is like building your own English world. Also, write in English. Write about your day. Write how you feel. Example, I feel tired. I love music. Writing helps your brain remember faster. Learn 5 new words each day. That's enough. Just 5. Say them. Write them. Use them in your own sentences. Small steps lead to big results. And remember this. Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning. Don't be afraid. Be brave. Try again. Use apps, websites, and videos. Practice the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Together, they will help you grow stronger in English. Be patient. Learning takes time. You don't need to rush. Just don't give up. You are already doing great. Keep going. Keep smiling. One day, you will speak English with confidence, and that day is coming because you are learning today. If you liked this lesson, please click like and subscribe to this channel. It helps us make more videos for you. And remember, you can watch this video again to practice more. Every time you listen, you learn something new. Keep learning, keep smiling, and never give up. You are doing great. See you in the next video.